Tesla recently came out with some news stating that they will be finally coming out with the Cybertruck in 2023, which is when it'll go for sale. Everyone has been wanting to own one of those vehicles, as it totally stands out amidst a crowd, and having one would just be so cool to drive around in. Moreover, any Tesla product is one that everyone wants to own, and this one being quite unique on its own makes the demand for it all the more higher. But sadly, the company has been struggling in terms of its supply for quite a long time. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we shall be taking a look at some new updates on the Tesla Cybertruck that is expected to be out in 2023, so let's get right into it. The year 2019 came with a lot of surprises, right from the pandemic to Brexit and of course, Elon Musk's promise to bring the Cybertruck to the road soon. But he was not clear on how soon it would be hitting the markets. In fact, we're still not sure when it's going to be out. All we know is that it could be out sometime next year. All Elon did was bring out update after update, keeping his fans elated and waiting for the vehicle to finally make an entrance into the market. Tesla is the leading automobile manufacturer, and it has the industry in the palm of its hands. With the news of Cybertruck actually happening, Tesla gained even more hype. And the most recent news has stated that the Cybertruck will be up for sale in 2023. The Cybertruck was supposed to come out a long time back, and due to its launch date being pushed multiple times, everyone was left in an uncertain state on when it would be out. Elon has failed to meet his deadlines in the past, and now only time will tell if he's able to meet his 2023 deadline. In an interview, he has even opened up about how he keeps deadlines earlier than the actual possible date so as to be on track. But when uncertainty enters the equation, setting a deadline is next to impossible. The Cybertruck could have been the first electric pickup truck to hit the market. Unfortunately, Rivian came out with the R1 that took the title instead. But this could be a smart move from Tesla as they decided not to come out in the market yet and continue to better themselves by looking at the competition. Or maybe they were waiting for a time when they are the sole company that releases its e-truck, making it stand amidst the competition. All in all, the tech that Tesla will use in its Cybertruck would be way better and more efficient than the tech used in the vehicles of the competitors. This e-truck of Rivian is quite highly priced, and if the Cybertruck was released at the time the R1 was released, or even prior to it, there would have been quite a tough competition in terms of price. In fact, even after its release, the Rivian R1 model doesn't seem to be doing very well. Now, since we're on the topic of prices, let's take a quick look at the prices of the Cybertruck models. The Cybertruck is said to have a starting price of $39,990, and this would be for the base model, which comes with a single motor variant. The dual and triple motor variants were previously said to be priced at a value that lies between $49,900 and $69,900 respectively. Many would also want to customize their vehicles, and that would come at an additional cost. But Tesla was not able to bring the Cybertruck to its customers in time, and all the fans were quite disappointed. Elon had even shown the prototype to everyone and has even ridden around it. So when there was a delay in getting the Cybertruck to the roads, everyone was disappointed. The main reason behind the delay was the chip shortage as well as the shortage of other parts. With the onset of the pandemic, things got delayed further. Labor was hard to get and focus on the other models was of higher priority. The first time the Cybertruck was shown to the public, Elon Musk demonstrated how the glass on the automobile was indestructible and that it would be perfect for off-road adventures or even an apocalypse. Furthermore, the futuristic look that it came along with awed everyone. Its exoskeleton was robust, making everyone wonder what features were encompassed in this beauty. The Cybertruck is said to come with better utility than a truck while providing the performance of a sports car. What makes this deal all the more enticing is the friendly price at which it's expected to come at. The exterior design that the vehicle comes with is quite unique, and let's take a look at that a bit more. The angular structure that it has gives it an overall futuristic look, making it look like a vehicle from the future. The sharp edges that it comes with help with the aerodynamic factor. Numeric Systems has helped test the aerodynamics of the Cybertruck, and the results that were generated were rather promising. The software that was used to test this factor was based on an algorithm. Thus, due to its great aerodynamic ability, it'll be able to go at high speeds. Speaking of high speeds at which the vehicle can travel, let's take a look at the Cybertruck in this regard. The Cybertruck is said to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds, and it has a maximum speed of 110 miles per hour when using a single motor, 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds, and a top speed of 120 mph while using a dual motor, and 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds while having a top speed of 130 mph in its 3-motor model. All the three models of the Cybertruck come with their own adjustable air suspension. This feature helps to levitate the vehicle up to 16 inches from the ground. Furthermore, it can be raised or lowered depending on the need. The Cybertruck also includes a 35-degree approach and 28-degree departure angles, making it the perfect vehicle for off-road adventures. It also comes with a rather impressive towing capacity. Its single-motor variant has a maximum tow rating of 7,500 pounds. The dual-motor variant has a maximum tow rating of 10,000 pounds, and the three-motor Cybertrucks have a maximum tow rating of 14,000 pounds. This is not at all bad for a pickup truck. The Cybertruck comes with its own unique battery, whose size is still unknown to us. Its driving range would depend on the battery as well as the number of motors that are in the car. The company faced quite a few issues with regard to the battery, but were able to overcome them in time. According to some sources, the single-motor model has a range of 250-plus miles, the dual-motor variant has a range of 300-plus miles, and the tri-motor variant could travel more than 500 miles on a single charge. As for its current competitors, due to the Cybertruck's delay in entering the market, it has quite a few of them now. Some of them include the GM's electric Silverado, GMC Hummer EV, Rivian R1T, and the Ford F-150 Lightning. Now let's take a quick look at another important parameter of this vehicle, its drag coefficient. The drag coefficient of the vehicle is also said to be quite great when compared to the competitors that we just mentioned earlier. The Tesla Cybertruck has a drag coefficient of 0.39 CD, whereas the regular pickup trucks have a drag coefficient of somewhere between 0.55 and 0.65 CD. In fact, its other automobile models also have quite great drag coefficients. Model X comes with a drag coefficient of 0.24 CD, while the Plaid model comes with a drag coefficient of 0.208 CD. The Cybertruck is also said to come without windshield wipers nor side view mirrors. Whether this is a good thing or not, we shall find out when the automobile is out in the market and taken out for a test drive. What are your thoughts on these new updates of the Cybertruck? Do you think it'll hit the markets by next year? Or do you think the project still has quite a few more developments to go through before it's ready for the roads? Also, have you pre-ordered your Cybertruck yet? Do bless the comment section with your thoughts. With that, we come to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed our video, and please do support our channel by hitting the subscribe button. While you're at it, do smash the bell icon and drop your valuable comments in the comment section below. See you soon!